Hi, welcome to Bear Lake Lodging's B&B on the road. We are here in Tennessee at the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, and we've just invented something new and fun. We've always been having great fun at our campfires doing marshmallows and hot dogs at the B&B, but I think we just added it and made it brought it up a couple notches with another addition. So I'm going to start with your basic marshmallow and gonna rip open the marshmallow in the middle. And we have generally at the B&B these wonderful little chocolate discs, but you can use any nice dark chocolate or milk chocolate you care for. And I've opened up my marshmallow as you saw, ripped it open, squished the chocolate into the middle, and now I'm gonna take my marshmallow roasting tongs and I'm gonna push that through the top of the marshmallow, sealing that seam with the chocolate in the middle. I am going to roast it the seam side down first, and then I'm lying to you. I'm going to roast it on the bottom of the marshmallow first and then tip it up, because if you keep roasting it, you got to be careful that the seam here doesn't get too loose and then bust off. So we're going to come over here to the fire, see if I can find a nice warm spot, and I'm going to roast the bottom of my marshmallow first. Not alone having the chocolate inside melting with the warmth of the marshmallow and the fire, I'm going to add another little ingredient here at the end. It's up to you if you want to do your marshmallow to be between a graham cracker or not. Me personally, I want more marshmallows, more chocolate, and less graham cracker, but it's up to you. This way you get it all inside at once. Our fire is just getting a little bit weak. We're letting it kind of go down a bit. Trying to find myself a hot spot here. Just enough to roast it. We got some nice coals over here. Maybe that'll do it for me. Oh yeah, that's doing it. So I don't want to go too long, because my tongs will pop out the seam side of the marshmallow. I want to keep all that goodness in there. We lost one earlier, so we've been experimenting. Oh, that's nice and warm there. Won't take too long. It starts to split, as you can see there. The seam's pulling back a bit. Now I'm going to flip it over and go for the other side. Won't fall off now because my weak spot is on the bottom, facing the fire and the heat. Just a little more heat. If you like yours burnt, this works terrific burnt. I had a couple burnt ones too as we were playing with this. Oh my gosh, they were dynamite. Oh yeah, this is doing well. Oh, this one's going to be just perfect, the way I like it. So I'm keeping it nice and on that tongs without letting it fall off. Ready to give it a try here. I think my chocolate is plenty ready. I'm going to take it back over to the picnic table area here. Be careful. Pull that off the tongs. You can see the chocolate oozing out on those tongs. And here's what takes it to a higher level. I got peanut butter. I'm going to squeeze some peanut butter right onto the top of that. My little package is a little bit messy, but it will work. Oh yeah. Unbelievable. Melted chocolate in the middle, marshmallow all around, chocolate's trying to escape out of a hole, and warmish now peanut butter on the top. Woo! Flavor explosion, unreal. Oh my. And great finger licking grape. Oh my goodness, so yummy. Give it a try.